So dinner is served. This is extra few minutes for the people. They wanted to see what happened after this. This is what I'm left with. Uh, this is the end of meals for longevity testing. Things open, and we served. The food went away from this way, and the fried chicken is cooked, and I served one. I cut it in half. The green beans and the mashed potatoes, and I'm left with this. And I'll go ahead and finish, clean the kitchen, and then I go back. I'll come back over here on Monday. I'll spend the weekend to make notes and to copy the recipes on the website so I can publish them. I have all this book of recipes to complete. So it's actually easier to cook the Meals for Longevity program with the recipes for the new modern Mediterranean diet. It's easier to cook them. It takes less time to cook than to publish. Each recipe takes between 4 to 6 hours to complete it, be published on the internet, on the website. But we'll get there. The best thing, if you're really interested into this, subscribe, because then it's gonna come quick. And when we publish the recipes, we're going to publish also after that the DIY meal planner builder. It's a long name, but basically you're gonna be able to put all these recipes together in a way that match with the Mediterranean diet frequencies. I will explain that to you a little bit later. For the moment, this is what I'm left with in the kitchen. And have a good weekend. I'll see you next week for more testing together.